Introducing Febtech's Mould Vacuum Unit, a smart solution for enhancing casting quality by eliminating trapped air and gases from the die cavity. From every angle, the Febtech Mould Vacuum Unit reflects efficiency, durability, and design excellence. Its compact build fits effortlessly into tight spaces, optimizing floor usage. Engineered for non-stop industrial demands, it's built to deliver performance that lasts. Now, let's take a closer look at the key features. At the heart of the system is a high-performance vacuum pump, designed for fast and stable evacuation of air from the die cavity. The vacuum tank stores negative pressure, allowing instant vacuum generation when the cycle begins. The system features a user-friendly HMI interface, allowing operators to monitor vacuum levels and adjust parameters easily. The unit is equipped with a stable power supply and seamlessly interfaces with the die casting machine through digital I/O. Positioned at the top of the unit, dual vacuum filters protect the system by capturing dust and fine particles. The electrical control panel is built with CE certified components, ensuring safety, reliability, and compliance with international standards. Also equipped with durable wheels and a compact body, it can be easily relocated wherever needed on the shop floor. All right, let's walk through how this unit works in sync with your die casting machine, from signal activation to precise vacuum control. This will give you a clear picture of how it fits into your production cycle. Vacuum lines are connected from the filter outlets to both halves of the die. This creates a sealed path for air evacuation, ensuring full cavity coverage and optimal vacuum performance. Next, the unit is connected to the power supply and interfaced with the die casting machine via digital I/O. Here's the complete setup. The Mould Vacuum Unit fully connected with the die casting machine, ready to deliver superior casting quality with every cycle. From the HMI screen, you can easily set vacuum pressure levels for line 1 and line 2. It also displays real-time parameters, pump status, and system alerts, giving you full control at your fingertips. Now, let's see the actual vacuum-assisted casting process. Molten aluminum is poured into the shot sleeve. The plunger advances and seals the mouth of the sleeve. At this point, the vacuum system activates, pulling air out from both the sleeve and the mold cavity. As the plunger pushes forward, the molten metal fills the cavity, while the vacuum continues working to reduce turbulence and eliminate trapped gases. To protect the vacuum system, an air filter is installed at the die cavity where the vacuum line connects. During casting, fine aluminum dust and particles may travel through the vacuum line. This filter prevents those contaminants from reaching the pump and tank, ensuring long-term reliability and clean operation.